Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. Many people are cutting down the time they spend on social media platforms because of privacy concerns, a desire for a digital detox, or a simple need to limit distractions. This guide will show you how to delete Instagram permanently. To permanently delete your Instagram account, you need to log in and submit a request via your privacy settings. Instagram will provide a deletion date, which will be 30 days after your request. During this period, your account won't be visible. But if you do sign in before the final deletion date, your deletion request will be cancelled. Here's how to do it. Go to your profile, tap the menu, and select Settings and Privacy. Then, tap Account Center and select Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control and tap Deactivation or Deletion. Then, select the account you want to remove and choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Select a reason for leaving and tap Continue. Sign in again to confirm you want to permanently delete your Instagram account. Delete your Instagram if you want to get off the platform for good. If you're not sure you want a permanent break, then deactivate your account for 30 days. Remember that deleting your Instagram account is permanent. Your profile, followers, photos and videos, comments, and like will be gone forever. Deactivating your account is temporary, and you can reactivate it at any time. Deciding to deactivate or delete Instagram depends on your personal circumstances and goals for social media use. Perhaps you want a digital detox, more privacy, or fewer unwanted distractions. Or maybe you're concerned about user data protection, child safety, mental health, the risk of scams, or Instagram hackers. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.